Hey there, automotive enthusiasts and Honda Odyssey owners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will dive deep into the world of Honda Odyssey maintenance with a step-by-step guide on resetting that pesky maintenance light from the 2005 to 2024 model years. Please select the section that corresponds to your car's model year. So let's go ahead and get started. For the 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey, there are two ways to reset the oil life. In this first section, we'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator on Honda Odyssey 2005 to 2010 model with the cluster knob method. So the first step you want to do is, Step 1. Put the key in the ignition slot and turn it to the position 2. Step 2. Press the little button on the cluster until that screen where it shows you the remaining oil life. Step 3. Hold down the button until the oil life begins to blink. Step 4. Release the button and hold it again for 5 seconds until the oil life resets to 100% and there is no more amber light. Next, I will show you how to reset the maintenance light in the Honda Odyssey Touring version in this section. So, let's go inside and do the oil life reset. Step 1. Put the key in the ignition and turn it to the run position, which is just before the start. Step 2. Display the remaining oil life on the screen by pressing the info button. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button until the display changes to custom setup. Step 4. Press the reset button to confirm the oil reset. Like its predecessor, this fourth generation also has two methods for resetting the oil maintenance light. And in this first method, I will show you how to reset the oil life using the trip knob on the cluster. So let's get to it. Step 1. Turn the key to the second position or press the power button twice without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the trip knob repeatedly until it displays the oil life. Step 3. Press and hold the knob until the oil life starts blinking. Step 4. Release the knob as it is blinking, and then press it again for a few seconds to enter the reset mode, so it will stop flashing. Step 5. Depress the knob again for 5 seconds or more, and then this will reset it to 100%. Next, I will show you the second method using the info button on the steering wheel. Step 1. Turn the key to the second position, or press the power button twice without step on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the up or down info button repeatedly until remaining oil life or service appears on the display. Step 3. Press up the reset button for about 10 seconds until you get another screen. Step 4. Use the up arrow button again to switch over reset, and then press up the reset button to confirm. For the fifth generation of the Honda Odyssey, you can reset the maintenance light using the touchpad on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So here's how you do that. Step 1. Leave your foot off the brake and press the power button 2 times. Step 2. Hit the home button on the steering wheel to get the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down using the navigation button to highlight the maintenance menu, then press enter to select it. Step 4. Scroll down and select oil life. Step 5. Hold the enter button for about 10 seconds to enter the reset mode. Step 6. Select the maintenance item to reset or select all due items, and you're done. Another way to reset the service reminder light is through the infotainment display. You can follow the following steps to do it. Step 1. Get in the car and press the start button twice to make it on. Step 2. Press the home button on the infotainment display. Step 3. Scroll over and go into settings. Step 4. Then we're going to go into the vehicle menu. Step 5. Scroll down a bit into the maintenance information. Step 6. Select the maintenance item you want to reset, then select Reset to confirm. So there you have it. Thanks for tuning in today and learning how to reset the maintenance light on your Honda Odyssey. If you have any questions or want to see more Honda-related content, hit us up in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you next time.